6 best exercises to reduce cellulite on thighs. Cellulite is a prevalent and natural condition involving a lump or dimple on specific body parts, such as hips, thighs, abdomen, and buttocks. Cellulite isn't a sickness and does not harm a person's health. Yet some may wish to make it less evident for purely aesthetic purposes. One way to reduce cellulite on the body, particularly the thighs, is through targeted exercise. Want to know what these exercises are? Watch the entire video now to learn about all the best exercises to reduce cellulite. 1. Aerobic exercise. Aerobic exercise can help a person burn calories. It can help you lose weight when combined with a healthy diet. Losing weight can reduce how visible the cellulite is. Some aerobic exercises to engage in include running, walking, jumping rope, cycling, swimming. 2. Curtsy Lunge. Curtsy Lunge helps to build muscles in the hamstrings, quads, and gluteus medius, and this helps reduce cellulite. It's more effective when it's done 2 to 3 times weekly. A simple way to perform a curtsy lunge is to stand with your feet spread wide apart. Perform a curtsy by bending the right leg while moving the left leg backward and then crossing over the middle. Take a pause, then switch to the right foot and repeat the process. 3. Glute Kicker. This exercise strengthens and tones the glute, builds stability in the body's core, and tones the butts for a firmer backside. Here's how to perform Glute Kicker. Kneel on all fours with the left knee off the workout mat. Grab your left heel above the ankle and hold on to it. Squeeze your left glute and press upwards towards the ceiling. Release the glute slightly downwards and squeeze again. Repeat the process again, and then switch to the right glute. Maintain tight abs throughout the workout. 4. Pistol Squat. The pistol squat is a lower body exercise that strengthens the quads, core, and glutes while helping you get ankle stability and balance. To perform the pistol squat, stand with both feet wide apart, extending one leg in front of the body. Sit back, taking a squat position. Place your weight on the heel of the foot, ensuring your heel doesn't touch the floor. Slowly stand back up, using your hamstring muscles and your glute. Repeat several for the desired result. 5. Deadlifts. The deadlift exercise works more muscles than other types of exercise. These muscles include the legs, arms, glutes, shoulder, back, and core. Here is how to carry out a deadlift. Stand with your feet hip wide apart, ensuring your dumbbells are resting on your front thighs. Tighten your abs. Keep your back straight and flat, bending your knees slightly while lowering your dumbbells towards the floor. Tighten your glutes and use your legs and glutes to lift yourself to return to an upright position. 6. Step up with reverse lunge. This exercise targets the hamstrings, quads, and glutes. You will need a slightly elevated surface to perform this exercise. Here is how to perform step-ups with reverse lunges. Stand about 2 feet away from the high surface. Step onto the surface with your left foot while moving your left knee forward. Lower your right leg and step off the surface, going back to the starting position. Upon hitting the floor with your right leg, lunge backward with your left leg. Go back to the starting position. Repeat 3 sets of 12 reps on each leg, taking a 1-minute rest in between. Final thought. Although the exact cause of cellulite is unknown, certain factors such as hormones, genes, lifestyle, age, and diet can contribute to the appearance of cellulite on the body. Fortunately, strength training, including cardiovascular workouts and a proper diet, can reduce cellulite. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.